My name is Larkin Newton. I'm a senior at Lugoff-Elgin High School, and I had Mr. Jones last year and this year for the engineering program. Mr. Jones is a great teacher because he's always there for us. He's really good at letting us learn, experimenting, and helping us out when we're having problems. What I like about Mr. Jones' teaching style is how it's very hands-on learning, and making a mistake doesn't mean something has gone wrong, but something that we can fix and make better. It's always just, how can we go forward from this? How can we make it better? How can we improve? Mr. Jones is really good at kind of diffusing the frustrations that come along with designing and putting together all these little things. He's very good at helping us look from the outside and not just this tiny little piece that's gone wrong, but looking at all the things that have gone right and how we can maybe change the part that isn't working as well as the others and how to just go from there. I'm going to Clemson for biomedical engineering, and Mr. Jones has really prepared me for this pathway. Just going through the design process and learning how to make those tiny little pieces better, designing prosthetics. And many of these pieces are going to be very difficult to figure out how to fit together, and learning how not to be frustrated is going to be a very key component to that. That I feel like Mr. Jones has really helped me with that. I'm really grateful for him. Dear Mr. Jones, thank you so much for everything you have done for us. We really appreciate you and all the time and effort and money you spend on us. Thank you so much. From all of WTC, we appreciate all the work you put into this new program and how amazing it's become. Good luck tonight.